Hi, and welcome to yet another episode of the Wednesday Wellness series. Today, we are going to talk about something that's unique to all of us, something that keeps us alive, and something that we've really taken for granted when it comes to health and wellness. It's your blood type. It's your blood type that actually defines your digestive system and your immunity. Recently, I read a book called as Eat Right for Your Type. In this book, the author describes 4 individualized diets for all the 4 blood types. So I thought I'll give you an insight into what your blood type really is, what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are, what is the kind of diet that you should be having, and what exercise really suits you. So stay tuned and get to know more about your blood type. Let's start with blood type A. This blood type evolved when agriculture began. So people with blood type A are cultivators by nature. They are very settled. They like order. They are very sensitive. And 47% of India's population is blood type A. Let's start with the strengths and the weaknesses of blood type A. Now these guys adapt very well to new diets and new environments, so they can keep experimenting with what suits with their body. But blood type A people have very sensitive digestive tract and a very vulnerable immunity system. So there are chances of microbial invasion quite a lot. So you have to be careful about what you put into your stomach. When it comes to your diet, a classic vegan or classic vegetarian really suits you. So a lot of veggies, grains, tofu, fruits, they go really well with your blood type. And also you can include seafood. When it comes to exercise, blood type A should always opt for calming and centering exercises like yoga and Tai Chi. Let's talk about blood type B. This blood type evolved when there was no land available for agriculture, which is why people shifted to dairy products. So people with blood type B can tolerate dairy better. Let's talk about strengths and weaknesses. Blood type B has a very strong immune system. They can adapt very well to new environments and new diets. They have a very strong nervous system as well, and they can tolerate chaos that can be caused by a little bit of irresponsible eating. So there are no natural weaknesses to blood type B, but they do have a tendency to have rare viruses or to attract autoimmune diseases. So you have to be a little careful. When it comes to diet for blood type B, you can opt for dairy, grains, legumes, beans, vegetables, fruits. And in terms of animal foods, you can opt for meat or turkey, but absolutely no chicken at all. When it comes to exercise, blood type B should be involved in moderately physically exhausting exercises with some mental balance like hiking or biking, tennis, and swimming. So this works well for you. Blood type AB is the most recently evolved blood type. So you would find these guys to be a little mysterious. They are hypersensitive and they are a little rare to find. When it comes to strengths of blood type AB, these guys have the combined benefits of blood type A and B. So they can adapt very well to new environments and especially modern life. They can morph into any diet or lifestyle, and they can also process information quicker. In terms of weaknesses, blood type AB have a very sensitive digestive tract. They have an over-tolerant immune system, which causes a lot of problems later on. And they also have a feeling of not being understood by the society. When it comes to diet, blood type AB should opt for a mixed diet in moderation, of course. So they can have meat, seafood, dairy, veggies, fruits, but everything in moderation. When it comes to exercise, blood type AB should opt for calming and centering exercises like yoga, along with physically exerting exercises like tennis and badminton and swimming. So they should go for a combined approach when it comes to exercise. Let's talk about the last blood type, that is blood type O. This blood type has been the oldest blood type that humans have ever had. So mostly hunter-gatherers belong to this type, which is why you will see even today people that belong to blood type O are the leaders, are the hunters of the group, and they are mostly goal oriented. They are very strong headed and extremely focused. People with blood type O have a very strong digestive tract. They have a very good immune system and a very efficient metabolism, and they have very few chances of cancer. But people with blood type O cannot tolerate new diets and new environments, so always opt for things that you were having since your childhood, and baked goods are a big no-no. Intense physical exercises like running or martial arts, aerobics, power yoga are the ones that suit your blood type. I hope you gained something out of this video, and if you think it's worth it, please don't forget to share, like and subscribe.